If you're looking to tackle car maintenance with ease, best cordless impact wrenches for cars deliver unmatched power and portability. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, these tools make tire changes and repairs faster, safer, and more efficient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 FUEL 2767-20. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 2767-20 stands out as a powerhouse among cordless impact wrenches, delivering an impressive 1,500 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of max torque, making it ideal for demanding automotive and industrial tasks. Its best in-class power-to-weight ratio ensures that users can work for extended periods without fatigue, and the 8.1-inch short tip-to-tail design provides exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces, giving mechanics the ability to reach lug nuts and bolts that would otherwise be difficult with bulkier tools. One of its key features is the IQV power control system, which includes 4 customizable modes: max power, mid power, wrench type, and hand type. This versatility allows both professionals and DIY enthusiasts to handle a variety of fastening applications with precision and confidence. In addition, the tool's robust M18 FUEL brushless motor offers long-lasting durability and consistent performance, while the RedLink Plus intelligence system optimizes power output and protects the tool from overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. The combination of raw torque, lightweight design, and smart control technology makes this impact wrench an excellent choice for anyone looking to tackle challenging automotive jobs. Whether it's removing stubborn lug nuts, assembling heavy machinery, or handling high-torque fasteners. Users consistently report that the M18 FUEL 2767-20 is easy to handle despite its power, and the short, compact design makes it highly portable for work around the garage or shop.
Number 2. DeWalt 20V Max XR DCF900B. The DeWalt 20V Max XR DCF900B delivers exceptional performance with its BL brushless motor, generating 740 foot-pounds of fastening torque and up to 1,180 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, making it one of the most capable cordless impact wrenches for automotive and heavy-duty applications. Its 3-speed power selection switch allows precise control over a wide range of RPM and IPM settings: 0 to 900, 0 to 1000, 0 to 1800 RPM, and 0 to 1800, 0 to 2000, and 0 to 2200 IPM settings, which is ideal for users needing consistent torque for various fasteners from lug nuts to heavy machinery bolts. Its 1/2-inch anvil with friction ring ensures quick and secure socket changes, allowing professionals to work efficiently without interruptions. The brushless motor technology eliminates carbon brushes, reducing heat and wear while extending the life of the tool. The electronic control system optimizes battery energy use, providing up to 50% longer runtime per charge and allowing users to complete multiple jobs before needing a recharge. Despite its high torque output, the DeWalt DCF900B is ergonomically designed to minimize user fatigue with a balanced, compact body that fits comfortably in hand, making it suitable for extended use in tight spaces or high-volume work environments. Professionals appreciate the combination of power or speed variability and durability, which ensures that the tool performs reliably under heavy workloads while reducing the risk of over-tightening or damaging fasteners. Additionally, DeWalt's 20V Max battery system provides compatibility across a wide range of tools, offering convenience and efficiency for users with existing batteries. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max XR DCF899B. The DeWalt 20V Max XR DCF899B is a compact yet powerful cordless impact wrench designed for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts who need precision, portability, and strength in one tool. With a max torque of 700 foot-pounds and breakaway torque of 1,200 foot-pounds, it easily handles stubborn lug nuts and other high-torque fasteners, making it suitable for automotive repair, construction, and equipment maintenance. Its 8 and 5/16" compact design allows access to tight spaces where larger impact wrenches cannot fit, while still providing enough leverage to tackle heavy-duty applications effectively. The DCF899B includes multi-speed control, 0 to 400, 1200, 1900 RPM, giving users the flexibility to choose the right speed for different tasks, whether it's precise fastening or rapid net removal. The 1/2-inch anvil with a to 10-pin or optional hog ring ensures secure socket attachment, reducing the risk of slippage during operation. An LED light with a 20-second delay increases visibility in dimly lit areas, making it easier to work under vehicles or in garages with limited lighting. The brushless motor improves efficiency by reducing friction and heat, providing longer life and more runtime per charge. This model is also compatible with the DeWalt 20V Max battery system, allowing users to easily swap batteries among other DeWalt tools, which is a significant convenience for busy shops or home garages. Users appreciate the ergonomic design, which balances weight distribution to reduce fatigue during extended use, while maintaining strong grip and control.
Number 4. Makita XWT08Z18V LXT. The Makita XWT08Z18V LXT Cordless Impact Wrench offers impressive versatility and power, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts. With a maximum fastening torque of 1,030 foot-pounds and a breakaway torque of 1,400 foot-pounds, it provides enough strength to handle tough automotive, construction, and industrial applications. The XWT08Z is also engineered for long-term battery and tool protection with the innovative Battery Guard system, which acts as a shock-absorbing connection between battery and tool, reducing wear and tear on both components while maintaining consistent power. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the lightweight construction allows for easier maneuverability in confined spaces. Users report that the XWT08Z is particularly effective for automotive repairs, tire changes, and heavy machinery maintenance, as it combines high torque output with responsive controls. Additionally, Makita's 18V LXT battery platform provides wide compatibility with other Makita tools, offering convenience and extended runtime for users already invested in the ecosystem. The Impact Wrench also features an efficient brushless motor that delivers longer life, cooler operation, and reduced maintenance, ensuring reliable performance even during frequent heavy-duty use.
Number 5. Ingersoll Rand W7152-20V. The Ingersoll Rand W7152-20V Cordless Impact Wrench is a powerful and reliable tool designed for automotive professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require consistent performance, high torque, and durability. With a compact length of 9.65 inches and a lightweight design of just 6 pounds, the W7152 allows users to work comfortably in tight spaces without sacrificing power. While it is compatible with 20V battery systems, the W7152 ensures extended runtime and consistent power delivery, allowing multiple jobs to be completed on a single charge. Its compact design, ergonomic handling, and reliable performance make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality cordless impact wrench. When it comes to automotive repairs and heavy-duty fastening, these top cordless impact wrenches deliver unmatched power, precision, and convenience. From Milwaukee's high-torque M18 FUEL to the Makita XWT08Z and the reliable Ingersoll Rand W7152, each tool offers exceptional performance for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Investing in any of these models ensures efficiency, durability, and effortless control for every job.